Andy? Andy? Hello?
Oh, hello. Sorry, I was deep in thought.
What were you thinking?
I was contemplating the state of the universe and humankind.
Wow, that must have been...
It's because it's the holidays.
Really?
I always think about, I think this time of the year we think more about humanity and,
the poor
kindness.
homeless
And
people.
exactly, yeah. But you know what?
What?
We should do it all the time, not just once a year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you believe
what?
it's nearly Christmas?
Yeah, I can, yeah.
It's crazy.
Because the calendar says it is.
Okay. Well, let's get on with the product.
Yeah, so this is the plant menu, no turkey roast, isn't it, Mandy?
It is. As you can hear,
vegan
it's
friendly.
cooking.
It's in the oven, so we'll be back in a minute to test it. But let's just show you the stuff.
Hi.
Do you want to come up and do a thumbnail, Mandy? It's quite a big box, isn't it? Yeah. So there is the stuff. Come on, camera. There's the traffic lights, and take a quick look at the back. So while we're looking at the back, it is recyclable, but there is plastic cut, like a plastic packet inside,
Hi.
which isn't recyclable. What does it actually say? Yeah, do not recycle. So, for those of you that are trying to avoid stuff... Hello, down here, camera.
Thank you.
So for those of you that are trying to avoid packaging, non-environmentally sound packaging, you might want to give this a miss because the film, the inside.
The film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, it smells good. It's cooking now. When we come back, we'll give it a taste for you guys. Mandy, what are you doing?
Playing hide and seek.
You're such a bellend.
If in his armpit this time.
Weirdo.
Huh?
So here we are back again. This is with the
Turkey stuff.
the plant menu, no turkey stuff. And it's just come out of the oven, so it's really hot. Let's give them a quick look at it, man.
Bouncy castle!
No, it's not, you'll burn yourself, so be careful. Right, there you go, guys, a little close-up of it. That's what it looks. It looks like the sort of thing that belongs on a roast dinner plate, so...
It looks like a log to me.
Yeah, it looks like a chocolate log.
Like literally a log, but yeah.
So, I'm just going to slice this up.
Oh.
We'll be back in a sec. To cover it, this is not... I mean, this is a sharp knife. It's literally crispy as anything. Okay, so the slicing experience, if you overdo it, isn't great. There's a little look at the stuffing and whatnot. But the most important thing, of course, is how does it taste? Yeah, how does it taste?
I don't want a cranberry. I don't like cranberries.
Don't like cranberries?
Not in food. No, I like stuff.
Right, I'm going to feed this one to Mandy's human. Blow on it. Oh, go on, give it a good blow.
Shut up, Andy.
Oh, that sounds wrong. Right, there you go. Go on. What? What?
No, don't like it already.
Alright.
No, sorry. Not for me. The texture's horrible.
You think the texture's horrible?
Yeah.
Try and get a bit of the crunchy outside. Excuse me diving in with me fingers and everything here.
Yours fine, you eat.
So this is Mandy's a bit fussy when it comes to fruit or stuff. So
I eat fruit on its own. I don't like it in stuff. If you know what I mean. Like cakes or something like. But I eat fruit. I just don't eat it in cakes. Hi, Andy.
Hi.
What do you think?
I think with a lovely onion gravy, like a vegan onion gravy, and other stuff, that'd be really nice.
Yeah.
Maybe cover it with tin foil or something to stop the top going too crispy like ours did. That's about it. Yeah, I quite like it. It was cheap. I'll put the price up there. It wasn't a lot of money. There's enough there for 2 people, I'd say, Mandy, with Christmas dinner.
I think
maybe
so.
3. If you've got more, you might need to buy more than 1. But yeah, this is one of our reviews for the vegan festive season.
Sorry I didn't try it, Andy.
Well done. No, if you didn't like it, if you knew you wasn't going to like it, that's okay.
No, thank you.
Yeah, so everything down in the video pants as always.
Video pants.
Links to our other channels and whatnot. We'll see you. We hope you have a very nice Christmas.
Have a lovely Christmas.
You know, I know it's like a couple of weeks away, but yeah, and if you're watching this after Christmas, we hope you had a lovely Christmas.
Yeah.
And we'll see you all in the next video.
Hi people! I just wanted to let you know that I just tried some of the stuff without the stuffing, and it was really nice. The not turkey. It was actually really, really nice. So it's just the stuffing I don't like. But that's just me, I'm weird. Okay, bye!